In Obelago Street off Oka Road, Onitsha, is this scary site created by gully erosion. The people here say many have been rendered homeless, others have lost their means of livelihood, and more havoc awaits them if nothing is done urgently to prevent the disaster.
The erosion wey come meet us for this Obelago, e pursue us, e spoil our properties. Even the school that is around us here, the erosion divide the compound into two. The remaining place now, the erosion want to carry the place again.
Many people who own houses here have collapsed. They have gone into one sickness or the other because of high BP, that they've lost all that they have. And this erosion comes, it takes the houses, takes their properties, takes everything that they have in their homes. You can see that the owner of this house has already abandoned it. It's a very bad situation.
Because the government didn't act swiftly or quickly, houses have been lost here. But we're saying enough of the houses, enough of those that have been eaten by the erosion. There are houses here that can be salvaged.
Effort by the Anambra State government to construct a major drainage channel that will help check the erosion failed, as the project site seemed to have been abandoned.
Unfortunately, the job began and we all heaved a sigh of relief. But midway into the construction, the work stopped just right here.
This school here is where our children is schooling. And if this rain come again and carry this building, where will we see money to go and register our children again for school? And everybody know that education is very important now.
But the state government on their part says with over 1,000 active erosion sites scattered across the 21 council areas, the said project was only suspended to attend to more serious erosion sites in the state. They, however, appeal to the people to exercise a little patience.
One of the erosion sites is called 1,000 Foot Road in Nnewi. It cost us almost 4 billion naira to fix. And even in Onitsha, there's so many others which we have now fixed. So we are coming to this one at Obelago Street. So it's one of the several ones, not abandoned. It's a matter of prioritizing your projects against the background of limited funds.
Many of the people who own properties here are retired people. You don't have to allow their properties to go to waste. Please act now.
With the rains around the corner, there are heightened fears that crisis awaits the residents here. But with their plights rated by the government as less imminent, they only have to hope and pray. Chukwuma Ewu, AIT News, Onitsha.